nyaya sanhita. Section 1, subsection 1, short title, commencement and application. Section 1, subsection 3, short title, commencement and application. Section 1, subsection 4 to subsection 6, short title, commencement and application. Section 2, subsection 1, Act. Section 2, subsection 3, Animal. Section 2, subsection 3, Child. Section 2, subsection 4, Counterfeit. Section 2, subsection 5, Court. Section 2, subsection 6, Death. Section 2, subsection 7, Dishonestly. Section 2, subsection 8, Document. Section 2, subsection 9, fraudulently. Section 2, subsection 10, gender. Section 2, subsection 11, good faith. Section 2, subsection 12, government. Section 2, subsection 13, harbor. Section 2, subsection 14, injury. Section 2, subsection 15, illegal and legally bound to. Section 2, subsection 16, judge. Section 2, subsection 17, life. Section 18, Section 2, subsection 18, local law. Section 2, subsection 19, man. Section 2, subsection 20, month or year. Section 2, subsection 21, movable property. Section 2, subsection 22, number. Section 2, subsection 23, oath. Section 2, subsection 24, offense. Section 2, subsection 25, omission. Section 2, subsection 26, person. Section 2, subsection 27, public. Section 2, subsection 28, public servant. Section 2, subsection 29, reason to believe. Section 2, subsection 30, special law. Section 2, subsection 28, public servant. Section 2, subsection 29, reason to believe. Section 2, subsection 30, special law. Section 2, subsection 31, valuable security. Section 2, subsection 32, vessel. Section 2, subsection 33, voluntarily. Section 2, subsection 34, will. Section 2, subsection 35, woman. Section 2, subsection 36, wrongful gain. Section 2, subsection 37, wrongful loss. Section 2, subsection 38, gaining wrongfully, losing wrongfully. Section 2, subsection 39, words and expressions not defined. Section 3, subsection 1, general explanations and expression. Section 3, subsection 2, general explanation and expressions. Section 3, subsection 3, general explanation and expressions. Section 3, subsection 4 to Section 3, subsection 9, general explanations and expressions. Section 4, punishments. Section 5, commutations of sentence of death or imprisonment for life. Section 6, fractions of terms of punishment. Section 7, sentence may be in certain cases of imprisonment wholly or partly rigorous or simple. Section 8, subsection 1, amount of fine, liability in default of payment of fine, etc. Section 8, subsection 2 to Section 8, subsection 5, amount of fine, liability in default of payment of fine. Section 8, subsection 6 to Section 8, subsection 7, amount of fine, liability in default of payment of fine, etc. Section 9. Limit of punishment of offense made up of several offenses. Section 9. Section 9. Limit of punishment of offense made up of several offenses. Section 10. Punishment of person guilty of one of several offenses. Judgment stating that it is doubtful of which. Section 11. Solitary confinement. Section 12. Limit of solitary confinement. Section 13. Enhanced punishment for certain offenses after previous conviction. Section 14. Act done by person bound by mistake of fact believing himself bound by law. Section 15. Act of judge when acting judicially. Section 16. Act done pursuant to judgment or order of court. Section 17. Act done by person justified or by mistake of fact believing himself justified by law. Section 18. Accident in doing a lawful act. Section 19. Act likely to cause harm but done without criminal intent and prevent other harm. Section 20. Act of child under 7 years of age. Section 21. Act of child above 7 and under 12 years of age of immature understanding. Section 22. Act of person of unsound mind. Section 23. Act of person incapable of judgment by reason of intoxication are caused against his will. Section 24. Offense requiring a particular intent or knowledge committed by one who is intoxicated. Section 25. Act not intended and not known to be likely to cause death or grievous hurt done by consent. Section 26. Act not intended to cause death done by consent in good faith for person's benefit. Section 27. Act done in good faith for benefit of child or person of unsound mind or by consent of guardian. Section 28. Consent known to be given under fear or misconception. Section 29. Exclusion of acts which are offences independently of harm caused. Section 30. Act done in good faith for benefit of a person without consent. Section 31. Communication made in good faith. Section 32. Act to which a person is compelled by threats. Section 33. Act causing slight harm. Section 34. Things done in private defense. Section 35. Right of private defense of body and of property. Section 36. Right of property. Sorry. Section 36. Right of private defense against act of a person of unsound mind, etc. Section 37. Acts against which there is no right of private defense. Section 38. When right of private defense of body extend to causing death. Section 39. When such right extend to causing any harm other than death. Section 40. Section 40. Commencement and continuance of right of private defense of body. Section 41. When right of private defense of property extends to causing death. Section 42. When such right extends to causing any harm other than death. Section 43. Commencement and continuance. Section 43. Commencement and continuance of right of private defense of property. Section 44. Right of private defense against deadly assault when there is risk of harm to innocent person. Section 45. Abatement of a thing. Section 46. Abatter. Section 47. Abatement in India of offences outside India. Section 49. Punishment of abatement if act abetted is committed in consequence and where no express provision is made for its punishment. Section 50. Punishment of abatement if person abated does act with different intention from that of abater. Section 50. Liability of abettor when one act abetted and different act done. Section 52. Abettor when liable to cumulative punishment for act abetted and for act done. Section 53. Liability of abettor for an effect caused by acts abettor different from that intended by abettor. Section 54. Abettor present when offense is committed. Section 55. Abatement of offense punishable with death or imprisonment for life. Section 56. Abatement of offense punishment punishable with imprisonment. Section 57. Abetting commissions of effect by public or by more than 10 people, 10%. Section 58. Concealing design to commit offense punishable with death or imprisonment for life. Section 59. Public servant concealing design to commit offense which it is his duty to prevent. Section 60. Concealing design to commit offense punishable with imprisonment. Section 61. Subsection 1. Criminal conspiracy. Section 61. Subsection 2. Criminal conspiracy. Section 62. Punishment for attempting to commit offense punishable with imprisonment for life or other imprisonment. Section 63. Rape. Section 64. Punishment for rape. Section 65. Subsection 1. Punishment for rape in certain cases. Section 65. Subsection 2. Punishment for rape in certain cases. Section 66. Punishment for causing death or resulting in persistent vegetative state of victim. Section 67. Sexual intercourse by husband upon his wife during separation. Section 68. Sexual intercourse by a person in authority. Section 69. Sexual intercourse by employing deceitful means, etc. New. Section 70. Subsection 1. Gang rape. Section 70. Subsection 2. Gang rape. Section 71. Punishment for repeat offenders. Section 72. Disclosure of identity of victim of certain offences, etc. Section 73. Printing or publishing any matter relating to court proceedings without permission. Section 74. Assault or use of criminal force to women with intent to outrage her modesty. Section 75. Sexual harassment. Section 76. Assault or use of criminal force to women with intent to disrobe. Section 77. Voyeurism. Section 78. Stalking. Section 79. Word, gesture, or act intended to insult modesty of a woman. Section 80. Dowry death. Section 81. Cohabitation caused by man deceitfully inducing belief of lawful marriage. Section 82. Marrying again during lifetime of husband or wife. Section 82. Subsection 2. Marrying again during lifetime of husband or wife. Section 83. Marriage harmony fraudulently gone through without lawful marriage. Section 84. Enticing or taking away or detaining with criminal intent a married woman. Section 85. Husband or relative of husband of a woman subjecting her to cruelty. Section 86. Cruelty defined. Section 87. Kidnapping, abducting, or inducing woman to compel her marriage, etc. Section 88. Causing miscarriage. Section 89. Causing miscarriage without woman's consent. Section 90. Death caused by act done with intent to cause marriage. Sorry. Death caused by act done with intent to cause miscarriage. Section 91. Act done with intent to prevent child being born alive or to cause to die after birth. Section 92. Causing death of quick unborn child by act amounting to culpable homicide. Section 93, exposure and abandonment of child under 12 years of age by parent or person having care of it. Section 94, concealment of birth by secret disposal of dead body. Section 95, hiring, employing or engaging a child to commit an offense. New. Section 96, procuration of child. Section 97, kidnapping or abducting child under 10 years of age with intent to steal from its person. Section 98, selling child for purpose of prostitution, etc. Section 99, buying child for purpose of prostitution, etc. Section 100, culpable homicide. Section 101, murder. Section 102, culpable homicide by causing death of person other than person whose death was intended. Section 103, subsection 1, punishment for murder. Section 103, subsection 2, punishment for murder, new. Section 104, punishment for murder by life convict. Section 105, punishment for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Section 106, Section 106 subsection 1, causing death by negligence. Section 106 subsection 2, causing death by negligence, new. Section 107, abetment of suicide of child or person of unsound mind. Section 108, abetment of suicide. Section 109, attempt to murder. Section 110, attempt to commit culpable homicide. Section 111, organized crime, new. Section 112, petty commits organized crime, new. Section 113, terrorist act, new. Section 114, hurt. Section 115, subsection 1, voluntarily causing hurt. Section 115, subsection 2, voluntarily causing hurt. Section 116, grievous hurt. Section 117, subsection 1, voluntarily causing grievous hurt. Section 117, subsection 2, voluntarily causing grievous hurt. Section 117, subsection 3 and subsection 4, voluntarily causing grievous hurt, new.